get into today's recipe, I want to explain my absence and let you know what I've been up to. Here's a day I'm just enjoying the beach. I try to get back to Ohio as often as I can to visit with my granddaughter and my son and daughter-in-law.
You look like mommy there.
Say hi. Hi. Say hi to Charlie Bella. Hi. Give Nana a kissy. Oh, I love you.
I've also been trying to get my pottery business off the ground and running, and that takes a lot of my time. So there you have it, and let's get into today's recipe. Hot peppers in oil is a recipe that I remember from Ohio. It reminds me of when my children were little, and my neighbors would always send me canned hot peppers from their garden, and it really is best served with warm, crusty bread. It's also a great side for when we have steamed mussels. This is a fresh recipe. Please don't ask me for a canned recipe because I never canned anything in my entire existence. I also don't have specific measurements, but it's super easy to throw together. I'm going to start with some fresh banana peppers and jalapeno peppers from my garden. I also picked up some red hot chili peppers and a cubanelle pepper at the grocery store. I'm also using a couple cloves of fresh garlic, and I want to stress that my banana peppers are hot banana peppers. The recipe will be in the description and on my blog. I'm using fine pink sea salt and fresh ground black pepper. I'll also be grating some fresh Parmesan cheese and a little bit of sugar to take the bitterness away, Italian seasoning, and extra virgin olive oil and balsamic vinegar. The peppers are washed, so I start by slicing and de-seeding them. Just enough oil to coat and dress the peppers, and a few drizzles of balsamic vinegar. Any leftovers will keep in your refrigerator for about 2 weeks. I hope you make and enjoy this recipe. Visit thekitchenprescription.com for more recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.